Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to study practice set 15.5 that is based on area of figures having irregular shape. We have to find area but that figure will be irregular, means it does not have a regular shape. That will not be a square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. It is irregular shape. And if you want area of that, then how to find? Now let's see example number 1. Adjacent figure is a polygon ABCDE. 5 sides it has. All given measures are in meter. Find the area of given figure. Means unit will be square meter. Unit of that polygon will be square meter. But how to find here? This polygon is made up of different types of regular figures. We have to find areas of these regular figures and then add all these figures. By adding all these figures, we get area of this polygon. In this figure you see now here is triangle, right angle triangle, AQB, right angle triangle. Then here BBC is also right angle triangle, second. It is also right angle triangle. And this is right angle triangle. It is trapezium. Means we have to find their areas first. Now for three triangles, see here AQB, ERD and here BCD, we have to use formula half into base into height. These are two right angle triangles. For them we have to use half into product of right angle making sides. And for this half into base into height. And for this area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height. And then by adding all these areas we get area of polygon. Now let's start solution. Start from this right angle triangle AQB. In AQB, base is BQ and height is AQ. These are right angle making sides. Okay. Now quadrilateral. Here that is polygon actually, not quadrilateral. Start from ABQ. Area of triangle ABQ first is equal to half into product of right angle making sides. Right angle making sides are AQ and BQ. Therefore, I write here AQ multiplied by BQ. Put values. Half multiplied by AQ 13 multiplied by BQ 10. Reduce by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. 13 5s are 65. Square meter. This is area of ABQ. Here first value we got area of triangle ABQ is equal to 65 square meter. Now let's come here down. We will go like by this way. BCD. For BCD we can use half into base into height. But for this base is BD. And BD we get by adding these 4 segments. BQ, QP, PR, RD. Then we get here BD, that is the base. Before that, before using area of triangle formula, find out base. Now, BD is equal to, we want BD. BD is equal to BQ plus QP plus PR plus RD. Put values there. All values are there given. BQ 10, QP 12, PR 15, RD 16. Therefore, BD is equal to, now add all these numbers, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 3, 1 carried over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 53 meter. BD we got 53, that is the base. Now use area of triangle, take BCD now. Area of triangle BCD is equal to half into base you take BD now into height is CP is equal to, I continue here, half multiplied by BD got 53 now, multiplied by, and CP is there 10. Here reduction, 2 1s are 2 5s are. Now multiply, 5 3s are 15, 1 carried over, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 square meter. It is area of BCD, second triangle. Now here we found area of triangle ABQ, area of triangle BCD. Now let's find ERD, area of right angle triangle ERD. Area of triangle ERD is equal to half into product of right angle making sides, ER into RD. ER into RD is equal to half into ER is given 17, RD is also given 16. Now reduction by 2, 2 1s are 2 8s are. Multiply here, 8 7s are 56, 5 carried over, 8 1s are 8 plus 5 13, 136 square meter. It is area of triangle ERD. 3 areas we got. And now last, trapezium. AQRE. AQRE. Area of quadrilateral AQRE. It is trapezium. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides. Which are parallel sides? AQ and ER. AQ plus ER. These are sum of parallel sides into height. What is height? Height is QR. Height is QR. Now put values. Half multiplied by AQ 13 plus ER 17 multiplied by QR. QR we get by adding QP plus PR. 12 plus 15, 27. QR 27. Now let's solve this. Now first do addition in the bracket. Half multiplied by, addition is here 30 multiplied by 27. Reduction here 2 1s are here 15. 15 multiplied by 27. 15 7s are 105. I write 5 here, 10 carried over. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 10, 40 square meter. 405. In this way we got all 4 areas. Now we want polygon. For polygon we have to add all these 4 areas. Therefore area of polygon is equal to, now area of triangle AQB, area of triangle AQB plus area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ERD plus area of quadrilateral AQRE. AQRE. Now here put all values. AQB we got 65 plus BCD 265 plus ERD 136 plus AQRE 405. Now by adding all this we get last answer, area of polygon. Let's add 5 plus 5 plus 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 2 carried over. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 6 17, 1 carried over. 4 plus 1 5, 6 7 8. 871 square meter. That is the area of this irregular polygon. Dear friends, let's start practice at 15.5. First example, here we have to find area of this given plot. All measures are in meters. It is an example that we solved. Here first area of right angle triangle, half into right angle making sides, product of right angle making sides. Here half into base into height. Here same right angle triangle, half into product of right angle making sides, and it is trapezium. Same method, only measures are changed. Now let's solve. start from this area of triangle QAP. QAP half into right angle making sides, product of right angle making sides, QA into PA. QA multiplied by PA is equal to half into QA 50, PA 30. Now do reduction, both are reducible. Here 25, 25 3s are 75 and is 0. Square meter. Area of QAP, area of triangle QAP we got here 750. Second, take this triangle PTS, but for PTS first find out base PS. PS is equal to PA plus AB plus BC plus CS. PA 30 plus AB also 30, BC is also 30 and CS is 60. Add them now. 30, 60, 90, 100, 150. 150 meter PS. Okay. Now find out area of PTS. Area of triangle PTS is equal to half into. Now base is PS multiplied by height is TB is equal to half multiplied by PS we got 150 multiplied by TB is given 30 is equal to, now do reduction by 2 here and here 75. Okay, now multiply 75 to 30. 5 3 are 15. Here I write 5 3s are 15. 1 corridor 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. Square meter. Area of PTS. Area of PTS is 2250. Now RCS, right angle triangle. Area of triangle RCS is equal to half into, for RCS right angle making sides, product of right angle making sides, RC into CS. RC into CS. Half into RC. RC is 25, it is given here, and it is 60. 25 into 60. Now we can reduce here 30. 25 3s are again 75. 750. Square meter. 750. Here QAP is also we got 750. Now this trapezium QACR, area of quadrilateral QACR, it is trapezium, half multiplied by sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides QARC, QA plus RC, sum of parallel sides into height. Height is AC. Height is AC. Half multiplied by, now their lengths are given, QA 50, RC 25. 50 plus 25 multiplied by AC is this. Now AC 30 plus 30. AC is 60. Half multiplied by 75 multiplied by 60. Now reduction by 2. Here 30. 75 into 30. Now 75 into 30 we got same here answer again. 2250 square meter. And now after that add all 4 areas. We get area of this plot. Now I continue here. Therefore area of plot is equal to, area of plot is equal to, add all 4 areas. Area of triangle QAP plus area of triangle second PTS plus area of quadrilateral, area of triangle RCS and area of quadrilateral, this is trapezium AQCR. AQCR. Now put their values. QAP 750, PTS 2250 plus RCS 750 again plus AQCR same 2250. last 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20. 2 carried over. 7 plus 2, 9. 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 2, 4, 6. 6,000 square meter. Area of that plot is 6,000 square meter. Now second example, again it is a irregular shape. So start from this triangle, area right angle triangle BAE. We want AE now. By Pythagoras theorem, let's find AE. In right angle triangle, BAE. Use Pythagoras theorem here. AB square, one side square, plus AE square, other side square, is equal to hypotenuse BE square. AB is 24, bracket square, plus AE we don't know, BE 30 square. Here by Pythagoras theorem. 24 square, 476. 576 here, plus AE square is equal to here 900. AE square is equal to 900 minus 576. AE square is equal to subtraction 10 minus 6 4, 10 minus 8 2, 10 minus 6 3, 324. Therefore square root of 324 now. Now here AE square is 324, square root of 324 is 18. AE we got 18. Now we can find area of triangle BAE. Area of triangle BAE is equal to half into base. Now you take right angle making sides, product into right angle making sides, AB into AE. AB into AE, right angle making sides. Half multiplied by AB 24 is given into 18 we got. Is equal to now reduction by 2 here. 9 the 24 into 9. 9 4 the 36. 3 carried over. 9 2 the 18. 18 plus 3 21. Square meter. 216 square meter we got area of this triangle. For this triangle also we can take half into base into it. CDE. Area of triangle CDE is equal to half into base. Base is here CE into height is DF is equal to half into CE is given here 28 and DF base is 16. Therefore reduction by 2. 2 ones are here, 2 8s are. Now 28 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 6 carried over, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22 square meter. Area of this. Now this triangle is left, BCE. But for BCE, we have to use Heron's formula. For that, consider these values ABC. In triangle BCE, let A is equal to 26, B is equal to 28, small letter b1, C is equal to 30. ABC. Now let's find semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. 26 plus 28 plus 30 upon 2. Now do addition. 30, 50, 60, 70, 84. 84 divided by 2. Half of 84, 42 meter. 42 meter is semi-perimeter. Now by Heron's formula, area of BCE. Now area of triangle BCE. Area of triangle BCE is equal to, in square root, S semi-perimeter, in bracket S minus A, second bracket S minus B, third bracket S minus C. Now put values. Semi-perimeter we have got 42. 42 multiplied by 42 minus A value. A is there 26. Second bracket 42 minus B value is 28. Third 42 minus C value 30. Okay, is equal to square root of now 42 multiplied by, solve brackets now, 42 minus 26. Now here 26 plus 4 30, 10 14 16 multiplied by 42 minus 28, 28 plus 2 30, 14 here, multiplied by 42 minus 30, 12 here. Now we want pairs. Now here 42 we can write at 7 6 are. This we can write as you can factorize it by any way. 4 4s are we can write. Okay. Now here 7 2s are we can write, and here this we can write 6 2s are. Now see pairs are there or not. 7 here, one pair. From this pair take 1 7 here. From this 6 write 6 here. From this 4 4 write 1 4 here, and from these 2 write 2 here. No need to write them in prime factors. But a pair of same numbers if we get, then also it's okay. Now multiply, and that is the answer of triangle only. 7 6 are 42, 42 into 8. Here I am, 42 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 33, 336, 336 square meter. And at last now area of the plot is equal to, therefore area of plot is equal to area of triangle first BAE plus area of triangle second area CDE plus area of triangle BCE. Now let's add. Write down values first. BAE 216 plus CDE is 224 plus 336. Now we get answer here, square meter. Let's see what is the answer. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16, 1 carried over, 4 5 6 7, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. 776 square meter is the area of the plot.